Grandma. 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 Grandma! What is it? Grandma! She was here! Grandma was here! Grandma!
What are you saying?
It happened in my very presence. I saw Grandma.
Please don't say anything that will land you side trouble. Do you know the kind of trouble this can cause?
Nature, I don't care. I don't care. What have Grandma done to Mom that she can't forgive? I will let everybody know. I'll make sure I let everybody know.
I suggest you just tell Dad first. You don't have to tell everybody.
Nature, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Nature, leave me alone.
Think.
You see, death is a painful thing. And only among the dead without tears, not with our lives. We need to hold ourselves so we can live. Clinton, what is it?
I know who killed Grandma.
What is wrong with you? Why you go to your room?
I won't. It's now time I tell her what's really happened to Grandma.
Please, what do you know?
I saw...
Clinton, go to your room, now.
Oh?
Go to your room.
Let me tell them.
Go to your room, now. Now.
I know what
to your room.
Grandma.
What do you know? To your room.
What is he talking about?
I think he's sick. I think he's having malaria.
Well, he doesn't look sick to me.
Can we just focus on the matter at hand? So, like I said was, you said you saw what?
I saw Mom using the side pillow to cover Grandma's face.
Are you sure?
Yes, it happened in my presence. I saw it with my 2 eyes.
Because some time ago you told me you dreamt of something like that, but you didn't see that person's face.
I woke up from the same kind of dream, and when I checked on Grandma, she was no longer moving.
Did you see the person's face?
No. But I don't know why Clinton is saying he saw Mom's face.
Now listen, both of you. I do not want you to say that again. I do not want you that to let out of your mouth again. Did you hear me?
But I saw it with my 2 eyes, my 2 naked eyes.
Shut up. Stop. Now hold your ears. Hold your ears. I do not want that to come out of your mouth again. Am I cleared?
I saw.
To your room.
I saw her.
To your room.
I saw her.
To your room.
I saw you.
If I slap you, sweetheart, allow me beat this boy. Allow me teach him a lesson. What evil spirit possessed you? Are you possessed? Eh?
But
what? Who is your mother? Did you just call me your mother? I'm your mother, yet you're laying accusations on me. You're laying allegations on me. Are you mad? Eh? This is not right, though. This is not right at all.
Honey, calm down. Please, take it easy.
What do you mean calm down? What do you mean calm down? No, really, if this information falls into the wrong ears, what do you think will happen? It's just like your own son telling you that you killed my mother or your mother. How would you take it? Respect yourself. Respect yourself and stop that nonsense.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
What do you mean, are you sure of what you're saying? What is this? Is this supposed to... Are you telling me you believe him?
Honey, when last did you treat him of malaria?
Daddy, no. Daddy, I'm not having malaria. Daddy, it's so mommy.
Then you're very stupid. You're very stupid. You're very stupid. I don't like what you're doing. If this man comes around and tells you that you're the one that killed your mother, how would you take it?
It's true.
She understands that.
No, it's changing words. It's changing words. You're changing words. It's stupid.
Don't do
You're
this.
changing words.
Stop.
Please, doctor. I need an autopsy on my mother's body.
Why? Are you suspecting anything?
Doctor, I can smell foul play on her death.
But you don't have to. Look, your mother's spirit was kind to you people. She wouldn't have survived that illness if you were to spend all the money on her.
Doctor, I'm no longer concerned about her death. I just have this feeling that someone had a hand in her death.
You mean someone caused the cancer?
Doctor, I can't explain this now. Please, you have to carry out an autopsy on her.
Well then we'll have to get your brother involved. Your brother must sign before I carry out anything.
Doctor, my brother will not permit this.
Are you suspecting your brother?
No, I never said so. But doctor, you have to do it without his consent. Doctor, I'm going to pay you handsomely. But please, you have to do it.
It's against my ethics. We must get your brother involved before I carry out any autopsy on the deceased, please. Yes.
Life is harder on us. We are struggling to survive. No help at all. No help at all. To be the world, Kafufu Kwanisi, the world. To be the world.
Auntie,
Why is your face like this? What happened?
my mom flogged me.
What did you do to her?
All because I saw what I saw. They said I had malaria.
What is it you saw? Can you share with me?
She said she'll kill me if I ever mention it.
Tell me. I won't tell anybody, okay?
Anything.
Go inside and eat your food.
Yes, Grandma.
Brother, you're here.
Yeah.
Brother, your wife told your son that if he says what he knows, that she's going to kill him. What is it that you are hiding from me?
What nonsense are you talking about?
Brother, is there more to our mother's death that I don't know?
So what are you insinuating? Are you trying to accuse me of having a hand in Mama's death?
I don't know because you and your family are moving this way. Something fishy is going on and I can swear you know about it.
Oh, really? Really? So your mind is now telling you that I used Mama for ritual. Is it not?
I never said so.
You never said so?
Yes. If we are so sure that Mama died of cancer, then let's go for an autopsy.
Now.
But I'm just saying that you should think about it.
Get out.
Sister, again. What happened? Are you okay?
Amaka had a bad dream concerning Sister Lisa last night.
What happened to your dream?
See, in that dream, people were beating her. She was crying, saying, I am innocent, oh. I am innocent, oh. Please don't kill me. Don't kill. I don't understand.
God forbid. Does that mean somebody wants to accuse her?
I don't know. See, that dream was so strong and scary. I don't want it to come to pass. I can't even explain the dream.
Sister, don't worry. It will never come to pass, okay? Just call her and tell her about it.
I already did. Kamaka, we need to pray.
We need to pray for sister. Because if it eventually happens, it will be brutal. We need to pray.
Sister, it's okay. It will never happen. Anything that happens in your dream will stay in your dream. It won't happen, don't worry. And don't worry, we'll pray. We'll pray. Let's go.
Clinton, you want to want your mother in jail. So you don't know that what you're saying is capable of taking your mother in a way that you cannot see her again until you grow up grew to my height. Eh?
I'm sorry.
Sorry, twist your mouth then. Sorry, twist your mouth. Do you want me to knock that evil spirit out of your head? Are you possessed? Enwa, what is wrong with you? Mona Lisa, calm down. It has not gotten to this. Mama, what is calm down? What is calm down? Allow me beat this boy. Keep your mojo. I'll beat the evil spirit out of him. How can my own son be the weapon fashioned against me? Who sent you, Ma? No, who is that demon? Who are you? And who sent you? Honestly, I don't know what came over him. I don't know what is informing him. But you know what? A mother does not cut off the child's hand simply because he touches excreta. But it's not possible. A mother will always beat a child with one hand and welcome him with the other hand, no matter how dirty he is. Mama, all these ones you're saying are their stories. Which one is beat a child one hand, bring the child one hand? Not when I'm in prison. No, if I'm in prison, how am I supposed to beat him with the other one and bring him back with the other one? That's not the point of what we are saying. No, you are not going to. What kind of nonsense is this? No one is going to prison. Which one is no one is going to prison? When this boy wants to put me in trouble? Eh? How can I give birth to my own nemesis? What is this? My own son. Respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself, oh. Nagi. Before you look like your father's people. Respect yourself because you don't know what I will do to you. See, Clinton, I know you don't know the magnitude of what you are saying. You don't know the implication of what you are saying. But I beg you, don't you ever in this life open your mouth and say that thing to anyone's hearing. Do you understand me? Don't. In fact, if it is possible, delete it from your head. Just remove it from your head completely. If you like, don't delete it. You think I'm begging you? Don't delete it. But let me tell you something. You think because I'm your mother, I cannot do anything to you. I will do terrible things to you that even when you reason it, you will not believe your mother did it to you. I will tell you that I brought you to this world and I can take you out of it. Hey, try me. Forbid. No, try me. Try me. You tell me whether it's your father's people that sent you to me. Hey, stupid. You won't do it again, right? You won't say it again. Go. You should like say it.
But Mama, ask Mommy what Grandma did to her.
What did they send you? What did they send you? Tell them that you do not see me. What kind of son is this? What kind of son is this? Hey! Calm down now. Mama, what is calm down? No, really, what is calm down? What is this? Hey! This is not how to go about this. Mama, I don't know what it is, but you need to calm down. Mama, calm down what? My enemies finally got to me through my children. Through this boy. Hey! I don't know how I'm feeling about this thing, but you need to calm down. Hey! Mama, is it that I've given birth to my own nemesis? God forbid. Your son can never be nemesis. No, I have given birth to my own nemesis. No more, Niano. My own son, look at what is coming out from the mouth of my son.
There's something I've been willing to discuss with you. I really don't know if you're aware of this.
It's okay, what is it about?
Did your wife tell you she's owing some group of people a whole sum of money? It has to do with a loan company.
No, she never told me anything of that.
Well, you know, my sister works with some loan company. So when she was going through her documents, she came across your wife's name. So when she told me, I was surprised. So I said I will speak to you about it. So that's why I'm here asking.
My wife is owing some people without my consent. And how much are we talking about?
Man, 5 to 6 million naira.
What?
Yes.
My wife borrowed up to 5 to 6 million naira without my consent. And she knows how much I hate her borrowing money from people.
My friend, I'm only telling you this because you're my man. And I wouldn't want them to embarrass your wife. So please, act on this quickly. You really need to act on this. It's very embarrassing. You really need to act on this.
How are you?
I'm good.
Baby, there is something I want us to talk about.
Okay.
I am thinking it's high time I started up my business again. I mean, my customers are beginning to ask when I am starting. And the demand is high, so I'm thinking of taking advantage of it now.
Can you just listen to yourself? Huh?
I don't understand.
Just get good on Wugenti. My mother is yet to be buried, and you're here talking about your business.
Honey, really, this is getting to me. It does not make sense now. Why is it that anytime I ask for money, it's as if one useless, unproductive element just asked for money? I'm just trying to help us out here. Besides, we've been through a lot of financial problems recently, so I need to start up something so that we can have something to fall back to. Moreover, the money we're talking about is not just your money, it's my mind too. I have over 20 million naira in that account. So must I always beg for money? Yes, you're making it look like I'm a beggar. I don't like it though.
Did we not agree to buy or to build a house of our dream?
Yes, we agreed.
So?
But in case of eventualities, we have to use the money for something else. Invest the money in something to make more money, and then we'll buy the house later. What's all this now? What's all this question I answer, this jam question over money to secure our own future? It's not like I'm begging you for money. This is the same way you were so adamant, you were so strict on giving me money when my mother was sick. I had to beg you from now to tomorrow before you could release money for me to save my mother's life. Meanwhile, when your own mother was sick, Kenneth, it took you nothing. You almost put in all our money in saving your mother's life, if not that I stopped you. Even went to the extent of borrowing money. You that I know that don't like borrowing money. You wanted to borrow money for your mother's sake. Are you not seeing the pasha there? No. Are you not seeing the ojoro there? Is it not looking double standard to you? Is that not double standard?
Talking about borrowing, you went and borrowed 5 million naira without my consent. So what did you do with the money you borrowed?
I borrowed 5 million naira. Where did you hear that from? No, really, from who? Please, I don't understand where this one is coming from. I don't understand where this borrow is coming from, because is this a way of you distracting us from the conversation? No, are you trying to divert the conversation? Because I don't know where this one came out from all of a sudden. I am talking about giving me money to start up my business again. The money I'm asking for is for me to start up my business. That's all.
I am so sorry I do not have any money to give to you. I'm not going to give you anything.
Well,
my mother is being buried.
Excuse me, sir. You will give me the money. No. Since this is what you want, no problem. You will give me the money, because the money is not just yours. What's come to worse, we divide the money. I take my own part, you take yours and bury your mother with it, while I secure my children's future with my own, since you don't have sense. sorry to say, I'm not insulting you, but I don't understand why you want to use your life savings in burying your mother, whereas the village you want to go and do the burial, you don't have a house there. You don't have a house in your father's compound, let me remind you. So I don't understand what you want to use the money for. You want to do elaborate burial, so people will know you've arrived in that hut, in the village. Please, if you want to bury your mother, since you don't understand the adage that says, let the dead bury the dead. If you want to bury your mother with your life savings, it's okay. Just divide it, give me my own. Let me go and secure my future and that of my children.
All of a sudden, you're behaving strange. Is this something you're not telling me?
I don't know where this is coming from. And as a matter of fact, I don't care. Yes, I don't care one bit, Kenneth. It is none of my business what anybody thinks about me. I am securing my future and that of my children. So I am putting it to you. You are going to divide the money and give me mine. You can use yours and bury your mother. It's none of my business. But please, you will not use my hard-earned money to bury somebody whose chapter has closed.
Sorry. There is no money to give to you.
There will be money when I'm ready, don't worry.
Shishi.
This game is risky. You will fail woefully. Selaka no Ubone bubuebo. If on your better waroburu. Evil wickedness is bad.
Noya, how are you? I mean, what are you doing here? This is the first time you're coming to my office.
I'm in big trouble right now.
Big trouble? What kind of trouble?
Your wife is about to drag my head to a knock.
Noya, this is not what we discuss here, okay? Come into the car. Let's get to my office. Come on.
I heard you banter with your husband. And this is the first time I will say that kind of thing in this house. What is going on? Mama, my husband wants to use all our life savings in burying his mother. If that is the problem, it's something you can settle amicably. No longer. Kenneth is becoming very inconsiderate these days. Talking to him is becoming very difficult. This is a money we both saved together. It's not like it's his money alone. So I won't let him. I will not let it happen. Mona Lisa, this is not the right time to fight your husband. Your late mother-in-law is still in the morgue. So? So we should now use every resources we have, all the money we have in burying her. Okay, say me, after burying her, we will eat sand. Mama, I can't let that happen. No. If I leave this man, he will spend every penny we have saved in burying her. The dead is dead though. Let the living live. That's what I'm saying.
And what I'm saying is that this is the wrong time to make troubles with your husband. Yeah? He's going through mental stress. Don't you understand?
Mama, he's not the only one going through any stress. Me too, I am going through mental stress. My own is, I will not sit down and watch him squander and render us bankrupt. No. So my suggestion is, divide the money into two. Give me my own. Take your own. Go and bury your mother. Let me hold on to my own. So we have something to fall back to.
We are talking about your husband here. Your family. Yeah? You want your husband to share things with you because his mother is
Mama, this is me being logical.
Please,
yes. No. It has gotten to that, Mama, because when this man has problem, if he has his own personal problem, he digs into that money and take money and solve his problem. When it gets to my own, I'll have to answer every question, answer every jam question, go through every interview just to get money from my husband. Money that is not just his own, our money. What I am talking about is a joint account between me and my husband. It's not like he's the owner of the money. So please, let him divide it. Everybody will just answer their surname.
Are you listening to yourself? The person you're speaking English for is the man that kept you in this house. He's your husband. He is your head. You don't have to behave like this about...
Oh, so because he is my head.
Yes.
I should not sit down and watch him drown us.
He's not going to drown.
I should not sit down and watch him throw us into the river so we'll drown.
This man is your husband. I am warning you. Don't say that he's not warning you.
Mama, please.
Mona Lisa, don't say
Mama, it's okay. Please, it's okay, please. Allow me handle my family. This is my house I'm talking about. Allow me run it the way I see fit.
Well home. But make sure you don't use your hand to scatter this your home.
Mama, please, is that a prayer? Are you praying for me? Are you praying evil prayer for me?
It's not a prayer, but don't scatter your house, Mama, with your own hands.
Mama, please. I don't like what you're doing. I don't like it. The only reason you're saying all this or meddling into my marital issues is because you're in my house. If you continue like this, tomorrow you're going back to home. Another begging.
Is that a threat?
It's not a threat. I'm just telling you. Please stay on your lane.
Okay. I will go back. I have a house.
Because
I have a home. I have my house.
Biko.
Nonsense.
What is it? When you were dealing with your husband, did I tell you how to do it?
Oh God, you said I should go to the world and prosper. You said again to me, in blessings you shall bless me. You said again to me that sickness is not my portion. You said you have given angels charge over my life.
How dare you? How dare you?
How dare me what? What are you talking about?
Hey, don't even start. Don't give me that look at all. Don't even pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about.
Of course I don't know what you're talking about because I did not borrow money from anybody.
You borrowed money from financial cooperative. 5 million naira. What did you do with it? What?
The last statement. What do you mean by what did I do with it? How can you ask an adult what they did with money? I'm an adult. I need money. What sort of question is that?
Your business liquidation, and you blame it on your mother's sickness. You blamed it on your mother's sickness. You borrowed 5 million naira. What the hell did you do with such amount of money?
Kenneth, for Christ's sake, this is not what I was expecting. I was expecting you giving me the money. I was even thinking you want to give me the money. Here you are asking me jump questions.
Oh.
What did I do with money? What did I do with money? I cooked with it.
This is what it's all about.
I don't care what it's all about, really. Because I'm fed up. I'm fed up. I can't take it anymore. I told you I need 15 million naira to start up my business again. And that is the only thing I want to talk about. And not what did you do with money? What did you dispose? I beg for money every time.
You've succeeded in making me lose trust in you.
Like I care. Because you don't trust me at all.
Okay.
Like I care. You've lost it a long time ago. For you to even question me. My own is give me money. I need to start up my business. Give me money. Give me money.
Brother, how did we get here? I thought I used to be your #1 confinement. How did we get here?
Kate, I am panicking. I'm afraid. I do not want my fears to start playing out.
Brother, what is your fear? I thought I begged you to approve Mama's body for an autopsy. But the doctor said you have not approved that yet. I'm very sure you're hiding something from me.
No, you're getting it wrong. I'm not hiding anything. Just like I don't like the energy I'm getting around me. I don't just like the energy I'm feeling around me. I'm afraid.
I learned that your wife is owing some people. And I know she must have done this so that the money won't be used for Mama's medication.
Let's not just point fingers now, okay? Let's wait till the autopsy test is ready. Let's confirm it yet. Please. God.
Okay.
Let this not be true. I do not just want to I don't want to lose my family. I don't... Oh, God.
Yeah, come right in.
Dr. Chike.
Yeah.
Please. I need you to have an autopsy of my mother.
Is anything the matter? What's going on? What's the problem? You suspecting the foul play?
You see, a lot of funny things are beginning to play out, and I need to be sure. I want to trust my instincts.
Oh, tell me what's going on. Is anyone behind your mother's death?
Dr. Chike, please. I am not going to say anything about that. I don't want to get into all that now. Okay? Please do the autopsy, let the result come out, then I can talk.
It's all right. Yeah, I'll give you a call when it's ready.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
What is the result saying?
You know, this is strange. I cannot believe this.
Doctor, what are you saying? I don't understand. Please, what is the autopsy result saying?
I have already disclosed that to your brother. I wonder why someone should do that to an already dying woman.
Dr. Chike, I don't understand what you're saying. Please, what is the result saying?
The autopsy before me shows that your mother died of apraxia.
Please, can you break down the grammar?
It means she died of suffocation.
What?
Yes.
So this boy has been right all this while. This woman killed my mother.
Oh, you already have a suspect.
Doctor, please, I will come talk to you later.
The autopsy test shows that Mama was suffocated.
She was what?
Suffocated.
Suffocated? How?
And when him area,
Excuse you?
are you sure you don't have a hand in Mama's death?
Maybe are you joking? Is this a joke? Because I cannot believe you're asking me a question like this. What do you mean by that?
You were in this house when someone walked in and suffocated my mother. Who do I ask? Who?
I must be dreaming. No, really, I can't believe you are asking me this. Like I'm standing here explaining myself to you on an issue like this.
You better start thinking of what to tell the elders. My mother.
Excuse you? Baby. Kenneth.
Unye Kenneth.
Kenneth.
Evil wickedness is bad. Gonye kote boroburu. Evil wickedness is bad. Evil wickedness is bad.
You don't need to feel bad as if you have been convicted. You know what?
I cannot believe I will witness a day like this. I never believed I will ever witness a day my husband will look me in the eyes and accuse me of killing someone. Talk more of his mother.
My dear, life happens. But I need you to be strong to face what lies ahead. I heard Kate has reported to the elders and they are planning on making you swear before you bury Daisy.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? I'm supposed to face those old men. Those old men that don't like anybody. How am I sure they will not tamper with justice? How am I supposed to face them?
Relax.
Hey, Mama, there's nothing to relax here.
Clear conscience fears no accusation.
Not when the devil is at work.
I know, Opere.
Because this is a setup.
Listen, Opere doesn't kill the innocent. Not possible.
Mama, you are saying that one. Opere is man-made. You are not talking about Jesus.
Don't say what you don't know.
I'm talking about what I know. I don't like. I will not swear before something that. Hey!
Opere date is a strong date, but what I'm sure of is that he's not going to kill the innocent.
Hey, okay.
I, your mother, is sure that you are innocent. So relax.
Mama, you don't even know what is happening underground. They used my son. They used my son. So you don't know what they have positioned in front, waiting for me. Now, see my Opere.
Just calm down. But I want you to do something for me before it gets bad. Try and forgive your son. Since you know that they are using him, please, forgive him. Because if you don't forgive him, you might do something to him that you will live to regret. With this anger, I am sure you are going to do something very, very, very bad to that boy. Please forgive him. No?
No, this is difficult.
Just try. Everything will be fine. And the innocent must go unpunished.
Sister? You can't believe what I just heard.
Sister is responsible for Mama Ozondo's death.
Who told you?
Mama told me. Oh.
She called?
Yes, she did.
But you know it's not true, right? Because sister we know cannot even hurt a fly. Like, how did they even get to this conclusion?
Sister, I don't really know. This is a really, really huge accusation on our sister. And I just hope she comes out of it. I couldn't believe it when I heard it.
Do you know what is even paining me? That Kate is the one circulating the news. Can you imagine? Let me come on.
What you doing today? We hurt you tomorrow. This game is risky. You will fail woefully. Selaka no Obone bugwebo. If onye bete waroburu. Evil wickedness is bad. Gonye kote waroburu. Evil wickedness is bad. You are heartless. Evil wickedness is bad. You are very mean. Evil wickedness is bad. You are robbing Manu Jaja. Evil wickedness is bad. Ogini baragini me. Evil wickedness is bad. Onye bete waroburu. Evil wickedness is bad. Gonye kote waroburu. Evil wickedness is bad. Evil wickedness is bad. You can run, but you cannot run fast.
We'll be having a family meeting with the elders this weekend, which is a few days away from now.
I know the elders would want you to swear before Opere deity to prove your innocence. And we were all going to swear before Opere deity. And anyone found guilty will die immediately. I wouldn't want that for any member of this family. Because the stigma is going to pass on to the next generation.
Opere doesn't lie. I even want it. I want it so that everyone will stop accusing my daughter of something she knows nothing about. Yes. Anyways, I will not talk much. I will not. I will wait until my daughter is proven innocent.
There is something I would like to talk to you all about.
About what?
Before I met you, I was in love with someone else. He was the love of my life and the first man I ever loved. His name is Kelechi. He was the one who convinced me to go ahead and marry you. That was how much you were in love.
Chelugudi. Are you trying to tell me that you never wanted to marry me? So all the things you've been doing, you've been faking it?
No. Kenneth, no. I have always loved you. I love you genuinely. Everything we share is real. None of it is fake. But before you, there was someone else.
Mona Lisa, I thought you told me you have forgotten everything about this boy. Why bring him up now? Why?
Mama, I am sorry to disappoint you, but there is no way I can tell the story without mentioning Kelechi's name. She says she wants me to marry her son.
And what was your response?
What do you mean, what was my response? Of course, you already know what my response would be.
Lisa, you know I love you so much. I love and care about you so much. But I will always tell you the truth. I think you don't have to turn her down.
What do you mean?
Okay, let me make it clear to you. As you can see, I don't have a father. And I don't have a mother. Help is not coming anytime soon. So, what do you expect?
I'm not complaining. Like I told you, I'm ready to wait. And I know things will get better.
You don't have to complain before I start feeling uncomfortable about my situation.
But I have always told you that I don't care. I will wait. I will wait, and because I know things will get better.
Lisa, I don't wish you myself. I mean, I won't advise my sister to get married to someone like me that have not found their bearing in life.
Kelechi, can you stop? Can you stop sounding this way? It's not making sense.
See, that woman loves you so much. She has been your family friend for a long time. She loves you. She has been a friend to your mother. And that only means that if you are married into that house, you will be accepted. You know her son. That guy might not be among the richest in this community, but he is well-to-do enough to take care of you even more than I would ever imagine.
Just stop. With all these things you're doing, beating around the bush, what exactly are you saying? No, what are you saying?
This is hard to say right now. You know I love you, right?
What are you saying?
think you should accept him. I mean, Lisa, please accept him. Please.
Did you really open your mouth to say that to me?
I know this may not sound right to you now, but trust me, in time to come you will understand that I mean well for you. Please, I wouldn't want you to wait for me. I don't know when I'll be fine, good enough to get married. Please.
You know, I was surprised when I got a call from you. Because immediately after my wedding, I tried reaching out to you a couple of times and I noticed you blocked me.
Yeah, I had to block you, so that I don't bring problem to your new home. That's just the truth.
Kelechi, there is no way you can bring problem to my new home. I mean, I'm married and I respect my home. Anyway, so how are you doing? How is life treating you?
Still the same me, still struggling, nothing different is happening.
I can see that life is really dealing with you.
The same thing. So, but recently I got a good news.
So what's the good news?
A friend of mine that is based in Canada sent me an invite.
Wow.
He said he wants me to come and join him in Canada.
Wow.
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Indeed, that is a good news. In fact, massive news. Congratulations.
I don't even know if I should start jubilating now because I don't even have the money to process the visa. It's really too expensive. Yes.
So, like how much are you talking about?
Honestly, it's a big money.
How much are we talking about here?
It's almost 10 million naira.
Wow.
Yes.
10 million naira.
Yes. In fact, I'm even thinking of cancelling it, but I decided to try my best. I have called all my friends, I've reached out to all my contacts. In fact, that is why I had to call you. At least to make sure I did everything. If it didn't work, I will know that at least I've tried. That is it, but that's why I called you.
10 million. Well, it's not like 10 million naira is that much of the money, But the thing is, just that this period is it's a little bit tight because I have a lot of projects at hand, A couple of projects we're trying to but for old time's sake, I mean, it's you, Kelechi.
It's been a while.
If not for anything, I owe you a lot. You were there for me when I had nothing.
What a good.
And you're part of the reason I am with my husband now.
I told you then,
So you know what? I'll think about it. Like I said, I'll think about it and let me see what I can do. Yes. Okay. So expect a call from me. That's if you will not block me again.
I will never block.
Is there any other thing?
No, that if you can do that for me, even if it's half hour.
No problem, Kelechi, it's okay, don't worry. You will hear from me. You will definitely hear from me. Let me try and see what I can come up with. Huh?
Oh, thank you, baby.
Please don't. Don't. I am somebody's wife. Don't call me baby.
My bad.
It's okay. I know.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
I'm waiting for your call.
No, it's okay. I made the promise. I will fulfill it. I'm gonna bye.
Like I told you, I will help you get. But my major concern is
You paying back the money.
Onny, why are you talking like this?
If you don't pay them back, they'll certainly come for me.
But you definitely know I will pay. What are we even talking about? 6 million naira. If not that I don't have money at hand, what is 6 million naira?
Yeah, I know.
My dear, before the end of the year, I'll pay up. This one I'm even saying 1 year. It might not even get up to 1 year.
Okay. If you can keep to the installment program, I'm sure you can pay up with ease.
Well,
please.
That one is not my problem. My major concern right now is when am I getting the money?
Soon.
Soon is when?
Maybe tomorrow, next tomorrow, anyone.
Now we are talking. That's what I want to hear.
No, I trust you.
I need it now.
Don't worry, I'll speak to the group, okay?
Thank you.
All right.
What are friends for if not pains like this? My girl, you didn't go with your car.
No, it's all fine.
This game, why you don't park inside?
Wow. 10 million naira. Wow, baby.
Please don't call me baby. I'm somebody's wife. Stop it.
I'm happy. Thank you. I will always appreciate you for this.
It's nothing. I just want you to be fine.
I promise. I will never forget this. See, I will pay back as soon as I start making money. Trust me.
Well, Kelechi, I am not expecting you to pay back. But then, if you make money, don't forget me.
Honestly, babe, how can I even forget you?
Kelechi, I don't need to keep telling you this. Stop calling me babe. I'm no longer your babe. I am somebody's wife. I am only doing what I did because of old times. 1 minute, please. Hello? Onny? What? When? Jesus. Oh, okay. Calm down. Don't worry, I'm coming now. I'm coming. Yes. What is it? That was my sister. She said my mother just had an accident. Okay. Yes. You know what, Kelechi? I'll see you some other time. Okay?
I hope she's not injured.
I don't know. Let me go and find out. Okay. Take care of yourself. Okay.
Thank you for the money.
It's okay. It's okay, Kelechi.
Thank you.
Take care of yourself. I'll call you. Okay.
Thank you, baby.
No problem. Bye. That was how I borrowed money and added to the one I had and gave it to him. That same day I got a call that my mother had an accident.
Lisa, you borrowed money from somewhere to give to a man that is not your husband without my consent.
If I had told you, you wouldn't have agreed.
Manachilugudi, let me ask you something here. How can a married woman borrow money to satisfy another man that is not even the family member?
No. I did it for old time's sake.
Old time's sake? For real?
He was nice to me. Oh. There was nothing between us. Immediately after I got married to you, everything between us ended. I did it for old time's sake. I just wanted to help.
Wow. So I've been living in mirage all this while.
Mona Lisa na koiri korobwago korobwada okorojeba kuna kokoye moto jamo. Mona Lisa, what is the link between this thing you're telling us now and the matter on ground? Tell me the link.
Mama, because of the accident you had, it became difficult for me to pay the debt. I couldn't pay it back. To crown it all, my mother-in-law fell ill. Because I was banking on our savings. And when my mother-in-law fell ill, I felt really bad.
I said it. Did you see it? The truth is finally coming out.
Let's put on. Give me a dollar. Which truth is finally coming out? Okay, you want her to tell you that I'm the one that killed your mother. Is that what you're expecting?
Mama, calm down. Allow her to talk.
Kenneth, don't tell me to calm down. You might not believe in a woman. But can't you go dig? What were you expecting? You were expecting my daughter to be happy that your mother got ill, or to tell you that she killed your mother? Why would you even nurse that idea in your mind in the first place? Why would you?
Mama, please.
Please.
Mama, calm down. Let me finish.
Finish.
When my mother-in-law got ill, I felt bad. I was even willing to borrow money from anywhere as long as we were able to save her life. Then when the doctor now said that her chances of surviving the sickness was very slim, and I thought of it. If we spend our life savings trying to save her, at the end of the day, she will still die. That was when I tried to convince my husband.
Yes, and what happened? Go on.
Like I said, I tried to convince my husband. Because already, the people I was owing were already on my neck. And there was no way to settle them. My husband was insisting on spending all our life savings to save his mother. So I needed to do something.
Really? You tried talking to Kenneth and he refused. You went and borrowed money without telling me. Even when I asked you, you denied it.
Only I couldn't tell you. I couldn't tell you because I didn't know how to tell you what I wanted to use the money for.
Lisa.
Then what happened? Why are you beating around the bush? Tell us what you did to my mother.
That fateful day.
So Clinton was right all this while. Oh. You killed my mother. Lisa, so you killed my mother.
I'm sorry.
The woman that loved you so much.
Oh.
Hey, this girl got vampire.
My God will punish you. So you killed my mother.
I'm sorry. Hey, God.
You will pay dear.
Hey.
Mona Lisa, how could you? How could you bring this kind of heavy shame upon my family? Mona Lisa, you love someone more. Who told you? Mona Lisa, please.
I used to think that my wife is the best woman in the whole world. How unfair life can be.
Kenneth, I really don't understand you. I feel your pain.
No. No one ever knew how I was feeling. I loved my woman. She showed me love. undiluted love. But I never knew her heart is still with her ex.
I want you to know something, Kenneth. You can't control how you feel about people, especially people's emotion. You can only control how you see them.
Joel, I loved my wife so much. I loved that woman. Oh, I was fooled. How can I explain to my kids that my wife, their mother, killed my mother? Just because she wants to satisfy her ex.
This is very heavy. But what will you do now? What's the way forward?
I don't know. But as for the marriage, I don't think I can continue with it. Then, it's for killing my mother.
Oh, God.
For killing my mother. Guys, she go pay.
Dearly, I must say.
She go pay.
Dearly.
She will pay. She will pay for it.
So Kenneth, how's the case coming up?
Cool. I've actually handed her over to the police. Yeah, let her face the full wrath of the law. Yeah.
It's better. Let the law take its full course instead of soiling your hands.
You're right.